Are you drowning in a sea of apps, each promising to boost productivity but only adding to the chaos? There's a better way. We need fewer, more efficient tools that truly enhance productivity, not hinder it. Let's explore a smarter way forward with Capable. Meet Capable, the Confluence app designed to streamline your workflow. It's the app you've been waiting for, consolidating essential features into one powerful and intuitive tool. Say goodbye to app overload. Capable brings everything your team needs together in one place, so you can stay focused on what really matters, getting work done. From powerful productivity tools like approvals, calendars, and publishing, to rich content features like diagrams, Markdown, macros, and reusable images, it's all built to work in harmony. And with unified search across everything, the answers are always just a click away. Let's take a look at document review and approval. With Capable Approval, you can request team approval via email and Slack notifications. It supports expiring approvals after a certain amount of time, ensuring timely responses. You can set approval quorum sizes, so you can ask multiple people for approval, but only need a subset of them to respond for it to be approved. You can even set up default approvers for new pages in a space, or publish pages following an approval. Now let's take a look at shared scheduling with Capable Calendar. You can create collaborative calendars and add events with a simple point and click. Need to adjust? Just drag and drop. Tag and filter events to keep things organized, assign team members so nothing gets missed, and link directly to Confluence pages. You can even embed your calendars in any page or read events straight off the page content itself. It's a seamless way to bring your work and your schedule together. Diagramming in Confluence is easy with Capable. You can insert rich visuals right into your pages. Use the drag and drop Excalidraw editor to sketch quick ideas with built-in icon libraries and templates. For more advanced workflows, switch to powerful tools like Mermaid, PlantLML, or C4. Capable supports over 20 diagramming languages. Whether you're mapping systems or drawing quick mock-ups, you can do it all, right where the work happens. With Capable Images, you can build a shared library of visual assets that anyone on your team can reuse. Perfect for standardizing content and keeping branding consistent. Whether it's logos, icons, or templates, it's all in one place. And if you can't find the right image, instantly access over 4 million high-quality photos from Unsplash, all without ever leaving Confluence. Using Capable macros, you can transform static Confluence pages into dynamic, interactive experiences using over 20 macros like buttons, progress bars, galleries, and even live API docs. It's all no-code and easy to use, so anyone on your team can build polished, interactive content without touching a line of markup. Whether you're writing docs, reports, or team updates, Capable macros help you make it shine. Meet Capable Publishing, your easy workflow for writing content, staging drafts, and publishing only the polished pieces. Keep drafts separate, highlight validated content, and seamlessly connect with Capable Approval for a full review to publish process. Perfect for teams that need clarity and control. Next, our search. Instantly find pages by date, approval status, diagrams, tasks, Markdown, and more. Save your searches, share with your team, and keep everyone literally on the same page. Finally, Capable Markdown. Start from scratch or pull in external content. Use built-in templates or make your own or embed Markdown from GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, complete with images, diagrams, and formatting. Simple, powerful, integrated. Capable for Confluence offers all of these features in one app. It has an easy-to-use interface, is securely hosted on Atlassian Forge, and includes integration across capabilities. Try it out today for free.